In this video, we are going to see how we can create a collapsible headings in Google Docs. So first of all, we have to create the test heading that we can make and use as collapsible heading. Once you do that, select it, and from the styles, the normal style should be changed to the heading 1 and choose heading 1, apply to heading 1. And after that, you click on the file and click on the page setup and make it pageless. Okay. And this way you can make it collapsible heading. So let's say if you want to collapse this, it will collapse all the content for you. It do have this collapse heading option. So once you close this, everything disappears. And once you expand this, it will show you the complete content under that heading. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.